Yes, so welcome back to another episode with me, Luke. So in today's episode, I'm going to jump straight into the charts because Bitcoin has been ripping right over the last 12 hours or so. We've gone past the resistance of this bullish pennant pattern, and we're currently at about around $45,000. I had a notification yesterday notifying me that Bitcoin was on a rally. Looked at my phone, it was like 1500 in the green yesterday. So of course I've been talking about a pullback, but I'm also very objective. I do look at the charts and I'll just show you what I see. And so I drew this bullish pennant pattern. I still expect at some point to have a pullback, which is normal in Bitcoin, in crypto, in the markets, to have these pullbacks. It doesn't mean I'm a bear. I'm a long-term bull for sure for Bitcoin. We're going to six figures, as I've been saying many times on my videos. It's just with the halving approaching, other things, I do expect a pullback at some point. People are waiting for 30k. It might not happen. So the moral of the story is, like I keep saying, is dollar cost average into Bitcoin. Not financial advice, of course, just for educational purposes only. But the best thing is just to keep dollar cost averaging into it so that you don't miss anything. If you're waiting for 30k, some people are still waiting for 3k or even 9k, and honestly 99.9% that is not going to happen. So there's a possibility we won't go back down to 30k. However, it's normal, it's healthy for pullbacks. We will have a pullback eventually. Whether that's 30k or not, it remains to be seen. But let's see. So that's why when you do TA, you have to be objective, look at both sides. And we've been in a bull market now for over a year. Since it's more than it actually, no, it is a year. It's a year exactly. We've gone up about 180% or so. And currently, I drew this bullish pennant pattern, which I've been talking about over the last few days. You know this already if you've been following my videos. And yeah, we've broken out yesterday. So what's really interesting now is to see if we continue to have a large amount of volume coming into the market, which was the case yesterday. We have this beautiful green candlestick. And again, the price target of this breakout is all the way up here at $60,000 per Bitcoin. So I'm going to keep that here. Let's see what happens over the next few weeks. Just to emphasize, this is the weekly chart. But overall, I'm a huge bull. I do expect us to go to way past all-time highs this year, going into that six-figure Bitcoin. So yeah, it remains to be seen, but let's see what plays out. I think I did mention that at some point at the end of this week or into next week we would have a breakout, and we've had that breakout, I mean, straight after my video as I was talking yesterday, analyzing the market. I thought maybe by Friday, but it actually happened yesterday on Wednesday. So yeah. So anyway, that's technical analysis. That's just some basic TA for you. So yeah, let's see what happens over the next few days. So just looking at the RSI, I just want to see if we have anything on the daily. If there's any bearish, no bearish divergence or anything. So yeah, let's go back to the weekly here. And that's it. So it's pretty much it for the TA. I don't want to go into TA too much today, but I just wanted to highlight that I did post on Twitter, and I left a post yesterday on YouTube highlighting that we did break out of this bullish pennant pattern. So let's see what happens. So if you are trading this, hopefully you got that trade where I told you yesterday. You can go and check out that video. Make sure you have your stop losses at break even, so you just pay the fee if it reverses on us, and so on. So yeah, let's see what happens over the next couple of days, few weeks or so. And we're only about 2 months away from the halving, and this has led to huge increases in altcoins as well. Altcoins are ripping today, and over the week things are up 50, 30, 20, 25%. So it's pretty much green all over the board when Bitcoin is on its rally. Obviously Bitcoin takes majority of the news because it's rallying, and then after, when Bitcoin takes a breather, these altcoins are going to go up even more. But just to highlight the fact that we are in a bull market, so if people are still waiting for 9k, 3k, 15k, it's not going to happen, I'm afraid. I mean, this year, if you're trading, if you're investing, it is the best year, the best time to jump into altcoins if you haven't done so already. If you haven't, then why not? But that's your choice. That's not any financial advice. This year, if you're new in crypto, if you're an old timer in crypto, you'll know the cycles very well. They don't repeat 100% exactly, but history rhymes in crypto. And yeah, this year in altcoins, you're going to make a heck of a lot of money. And it's very easy to do well in a bull market. Anybody, an idiot, can make money in a bull market like me. So yeah, it's more difficult to keep the money over the bear market period. So how to do that, we will talk about that in the future when the bull market is about to end. So yeah, get just some, not financial advice, but something I'm doing is getting into these altcoins, the ones I've already got, especially in gaming, in AI as well, and some old timers. So I'm just stacking up on things like osmosis. So any crypto company or coin that hasn't had a full cycle yet, I think osmosis is one. There's others as well that I'm looking at, which will have their very first bull cycle. And then in gaming, in AI as well. So I'm buying more medieval empires, more me tokens, at a really decent price at the moment. The market cap for me, let's check this out together. I mean, it's currently 1,230th place. I think the market cap, yeah, it's 4 million. I was about to say 4 million. So it's pretty low for this this game, this token, I should say. And I believe this one's going to be, it's going to do really well this year, not just because of the coin, but also it's a really legitimate game. There's a good community out there. I know a few YouTube influencers talk about it a lot, but I don't know, I just got this feeling. This reminds me a lot of 4 or 5 years ago when I bought Sandbox, Decentraland. I sold too early. I made a lot of profit in it, but I sold way too early. And I bought around like the 2-3 million market cap point. So this is currently at 4 million, so it's so cheap right now. And I believe it's just one example. Medieval Empires is going to do really well. I buy Medieval Empires on the MEXC here in France, because Bybit is now, we can't use it here in France. I think the majority of Europe as well, unfortunately. So you can still get it on these exchanges. If you're interested in buying medieval empires, and it's a really cool game as well. I've just been looking at the land. I think if you're interested in NFTs will come back stronger than ever as well during the bull market. So if you're a bear right now, then why? Let me know in the comments section below if you think we're going to crash at any point. I still have this feeling that we will have a giant pullback at some point, but we have to be objective. Again, like I said yesterday, we have to be reactive to the market. We look at the technicals, and like that's the reason why I drew this bullish pennant pattern. And yeah, so I'm a bull for sure, long term, but I do like to look at the technicals from time to time, just to see where we're headed in the short term. So that's pretty much it for today. Leave any comments in the section below. I'll probably be back tomorrow with more news on AI and crypto, well, news on AI and more on gaming. And if there's anything that you want me to talk about, to do research in, I'll be happy to do that. So have a great Thursday, guys and girls. Make sure to smash up the like button, and I will see you next time.